these are our cables. This one is D-type to USB adapter. You can connect the adapter to the battery and power USB devices. This is the cable 4-pin XLR male to DC power cable. This is D-type male connector. This is 4-pin XLR female plug to D-type. This is the power cable 4-pin XLR female to D-type male. This is power cable DC to D-type male. This is a power cable 4-pin XLR female with 4-pin male connector. This is a power cable for Blackmagic cinema camera, D-type to DC. This is the power cable for Blackmagic power cable camera as well, small DC to D-type. This is a power cable D-type to 8-pin Lemon female cable for Alexa Mini camera.